Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add and connect a Namecheap domain to your Vercel site. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Vercel project you want to connect the domain to. At the top of your screen, click on Settings, and then select the Domains tab from left side. Next, click Add, and then enter your Namecheap domain. Once done, click Add, and choose the recommended option that includes both the root domain and the www version. Then click Add again. Now go to your Namecheap dashboard. On the left-hand side, click Domain List, then select your domain and click Manage. Go to the Advanced DNS tab. You might see existing records, but you'll need to add new ones for Vercel. To add the A record, click Add New Record, select A record, and enter an @ symbol in the host field. For the value, copy the IP address from Vercel and paste it here. Click the green checkmark to save. Next, go back to Vercel and click the Refresh button. You should see a valid configuration message for your domain. Now, add the CNAME record for the www version. Back in Namecheap, click Add New Record, choose CNAME record, and enter www as the host. Then paste the CNAME value provided by Vercel and click the green checkmark to save. Return to Vercel, refresh again, and both domains should show valid configuration. So that's basically how you can add and connect a Namecheap domain to your Vercel site. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.